changed me.
You have something.
What?
You've got a goddamn booger hanging from your nose and it's fucking gross.
Grandma? I want you to meet my boyfriend, Edward.
Yes.
Sorry we're late, guys. Jacob got his dick stuck in the pool heater again.
In time, you'll forget about me.
You really have no idea how much you mean to me.
Virgil Rock!
I just imprinted in my pants.
Don't look now, Belle, but little Edward is totally eyeing you.
Okay.
Ow! I got the corn dog, so you're good with this, right?
Mother Pearl, this is heavy.
Fire under ass, let's move! That burn.
Leave us alone, man.
This isn't about you and me, Edward. This is about Bella.
Okay, I get it.
How do you not get tempted?
I've mastered self-control. Is that Edward outside?
Where?
Oh, my bad. Someone's creating an army.
A vampire army?
No, the Salvation Army, bitch.
Ronald, I'm not too strong of a swimmer.
Our enemies have disappeared, but one remains. The cold ones.
Don't hold back. Who's next?
Don't listen to him, Ronald. I told you about his mind tricks.
Don't get distracted. No, which one could it be?
Oh, son of a bitch.
Ha! Dead! Oh!
It's impossible. You're pregnant?
God, I knew I should have taken those stupid shrimp tacos from that Guadalajara street vendor last night.